Chapter 13. Present tense, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Present tense. Read the sentences given below. Examples. He goes to office every morning. I go to my friend's house every Sunday. The boy plays in the park every day. Earth revolves round the sun. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple present tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action, custom, routine or habit. Example. Sneha wakes up early every morning to express general truths. Example. The earth revolves round the sun to express a fact that is true at the time of speaking. Example. There is bright sunshine all around. To show a future event which is already arranged. Example. The IPL matches begin tomorrow. In exclamatory sentences that begin with here or there and express an action currently happening. Examples. Here comes the Queen. There goes the train. In questions with the words do or does. Example. Do you swim in the sea very often? Form of simple present tense. When the subject of the sentence is singular, he, she, it, and with other singular subjects, we add s, es or ies to the verb. We write root form of the verb plus s or es. Examples. The girl plays with a ball. She teaches. It plays. When the subject is plural, we, they, or with other plural subjects. We do not add s, es or ies to the verb. We write the root form of the verb. Example. The girls play with a ball. When I is used, we do not add s, es or ies to the verb. Example. I play with a ball. Recap capsule. Verbs change forms according to the time of action. Main verbs are usually words like eat, drink, play, sing, and other action words. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs like forms of the verbs be. Is, am, are, was, were, and have, has, have, had, will have, shall have. Examples. I am, auxiliary verb, reading, main verb, the newspaper. The girl is, auxiliary verb, talking, main verb, with her grandma. A sentence may have multiple auxiliary verbs like Shashi has been, auxiliary verbs, sleeping, main verb, since morning. Forms of verbs main and auxiliary indicate the time of action and hence the tenses. Points to remember. The negative is formed with subject plus do, does, plus not, plus base form of the verb. Example. The girl, subject, does, not, play, base form of the verb, with a ball, object. For yes-no questions, the interrogative is formed with do, does, plus subject, plus base form of the verb, question mark. Example. Does, the girl, subject, play, base form of the verb, plus with a ball, object. For questions beginning with a question word, for example, why, when, how, what, whose, we write question word plus do, does, plus subject, plus root form of the verb, plus question mark. Example. Where does she go for tuition classes. Here are more examples. Examples. The metro does not connect all the remote areas. Negative. This news channel does not show anything about the car race being held in Australia. Negative. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. Example, I am reading a novel. It is also used to indicate an action taking place at the present time, but not necessarily taking place at the time of speaking. Example, they are constructing an office complex here. It is also used to show an action that is expected to take place in the near future. Example, the children are going on an excursion this Sunday. Form of present continuous tense. For a sentence in the present continuous tense, we write am, are, or is plus ing form of the verb. Sometimes it is also called the present participle form of the verb. We add ing to the plus root form. For example, play, playing, go, going, and get verbs in the present continuous tense. Examples, I am knitting a cardigan. They are practicing the play. She is painting a picture. The tailor is stitching clothes. My family is enjoying the picnic. The minister is addressing the people. The negative is formed by adding not after the auxiliary verb. Helping verb like is, am, are, was, were. We write is, are, am, plus not, plus ing form of the verb. Examples, she is auxiliary verb plus not, plus drinking tea, ing form of the verb. Is he taking rest? Is auxiliary verb, he subject, taking ing form of the verb, rest, question mark. Verbs not normally used in continuous tense forms. The verbs given below are normally not used in continuous tenses. See, hear, taste, smell. Belong, contain. Like, want. Know, agree, believe, hate. Making ing verbs. We usually add ing to the root form of the verb to get the ing words. For example, read, reading. Stand, standing. If the verb ends with an e, we drop the e. For example, share, sharing. Give, giving. If the verb ends with ie, we change the ie to y. For example, tie, tying. Die, dying. With some verbs, we double the last letter. For example, begin, beginning, cut, cutting. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed. Example, Reena has just finished her food. It is used to show an action which started in the past and is still continuing. Example, the monument has stood here for more than 100 years. It expresses actions which took place in the past, but the results of which we can see or feel in the present time. Example, my uncle has got a teaching experience of 3 years. It also shows past events, the time for which is not mentioned. Example, they have known each other for years. Here are a few more examples. Examples, I have been to Singapore earlier. I have just completed the story. She has always admired your work. This banyan tree has stood here since ages. Form of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is expressed thus: have, has. plus past participle. Example, she has plus past participle eaten the apple. They have posted have plus past participle the letters. We often use words like recently, just, already with the present perfect tense if the action has just ended. In negative sentences, we write have, has, plus not, plus past participle form of the verb. Example, he has not eaten lunch. They have not eaten lunch. In interrogative sentences, we write have, has before the subject. We write has, have plus subject plus past participle form of the verb. Examples, has he eaten lunch? Have they eaten lunch? Read the given table carefully. Present tense. Simple present tense. I sing. We sing. Present continuous tense. I am singing. We are singing. Present perfect tense. I have sung. We have sung. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began in the past and is still going on. It can be used with phrases like since, for, long, all day and all week. Examples, the baby has been smiling since her mother returned from office. The patient has been waiting for the doctor for 3 hours. The child has been showing symptoms of a viral infection since morning.